Morning all. This is I'm walking along to Buckler's Hard. We're at Buckler's Hard Marina on the Beaulieu River. It's quite a way up actually. It took me 3/4 of an hour to come up the river to get to the marina. I came here once on Juliet and many years ago, and I don't remember it being that long. It must have been even longer than that little boat, but there you go. There you go. Where is it? Right, so that there you go, that there is Second Wind, and that there is a bloody Navy ship. Came in last night, and poor lad on another boat, he had to move so that they could fit in. I don't know what they're doing. Didn't make any noise last night. It was peaceful as anything last night. It was fantastic. But yeah, look at these views. Aren't they beautiful? So yeah, so I'm going to go up and have a look at Buckler's Hard. Quite a lot of history here. They used to build the big naval ships in wood, and there's like a street, but it used to be the houses for the boat builders lived in, and in the middle, where it's now a big green, is where they used to build the ships, and then they used to slide them down into the river here and go out to war. So yeah, it's steeped in history. Much more than I can tell you here on YouTube, but I suggest you, if you're interested, Google it. It's quite fascinating. I'm not going to start a history channel, but yeah, just the sights and that's beautiful. So yeah, so I'm going to go and explore. I'll take some photos and probably put some music on here. Enjoy. Well, I was going to walk up to the village of Beaulieu. It's supposed to be very pretty, but unfortunately the weather's turned to sort of February weather. I can't complain, it is February. I've had a good run at the last week of good weather, so Can't really complain about a bit of rain, but I'm not really dressed for it. I've got my drone on my back, and it doesn't zip right up, so water does go inside. So for the sake of the drone, I'm going to claim this one as a defeat and walk back to the boat, get rid of the drone. They do gas here. They've got a chandlery that does gas and all sorts of bits and pieces. Force forward ran out when I went there. I've got an empty bottle, so it's a perfect opportunity for me to pop in the chandlery and get some more gas. And then make myself some lunch, and then set off back to Southampton, to Kemp's, and one more day on the boat, and then back to reality. I've got to say, it's been fun. But yeah, all good things and all that. So I'm going to put the camera away now because it is getting wet. Who owned Gypsy Moth IV?
Here's a summary from Practical Boat Owner. David Green was a driving force behind the restoration of Sir Francis Chichester's yacht Gypsy Moth IV.
There you go, this was designed and built for Sir Francis Chichester to sail around the world. There is now a Gypsy Moth Trust, which you can find on the internet. Absolutely fascinating. Very famous boat.